म्हणजे थोडंसं पीछे हो.
हाँ संदीप ही होगा.
You did it? Which one? All of these. Super amazing. Wow. Wow. Such an intricate work. And wonderful. Wonderful work. It's absolutely dying. We don't met people now. So don't leave it. Very nice. आपको पता है इंदौर में चल रही है Last Gandhi Day, I wanted to do a
bright future waiting for us, and for that we're working hard. So the window shows openness, that there is a way out, and the threads show that you are trying to escape, and hence the broken wood and the torn canvas to show that if you break free and when you are working hard, you will find a future. That she's in a peaceful state of mind. Actually, we started.
There was a spike.
We started 3 days before, and it's a continuation.
Lovely thing.
All because of her.
Very nice.
And Kanak ma'am, of course, because she definitely pushed me into the art department.
Please.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. God bless you. What? अरे बच्चे शंकर आर्ट होता था, उसने क्यों नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करते? तो स्टार्ट हो गया। हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने उसको बहुत मेहनत करके उसको वापस करवाया है स्टार्ट। हाँ, तो उसमें अब फिर से करेंगे। There's one map here, मैं उनसे आपको बात कराऊंगी, तो आप उनको जानते भी होंगे। आप शोभा दीदी माता की टच में अब वो बोले मैंने बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाह रहे हैं, सब उसको आपको डेफिनेटली है ना। These are old ballads by our 12th graders who have taken this as a subject. अच्छा, we have subject as well. NCR is from class 9. CBSE is from horses कौन है भाई? Who's the MF Hussain here? Who made this? You made it? MF Hussain, inspired by MF Hussain? Wow. ये फिर से है मैम? बहुत सारे बच्चा thanks to internet और उसको बनाना देख लिया करना। Is highly skillful work. The children are so skillful. Classes were in the
Yes, exactly.
classes बहुत सुंदर बच्चा very important
She's learned a little bit of Japanese.
where are you what's your experience like? What have you done? Very good. Okay, what next one? Ma'am. See the. अच्छा, hi, Victor. Good morning. Like a bright
Like the forest near DC and Indore, teakwood is like in abundance. So you can find out in the top.
We've made them from normal wood. We use machine to cut the wood into pieces and then we assemble them in shape.
Very nice. Are also
Very nice.
this is like a lamp. So you can attach a bulb here.
Okay.
And then you can adjust the angle which you want.
In the line you can see here the design it is made with the help of the burner. So with that, this is the color of the burner. Very modern. Oh, that's the name.
Yeah. And this is then this is cut card. So you cut individual pieces and then you put a background on it.
We made design on the. So this is not CNC. You have done it by yourself.
Yeah, all by ourselves.
We have a machine. We have a proper. So with the help of that, we make a design first on the board.
And in these kind of things, then first you need to drill a hole so that you get an opening inside, and then yeah, it is.
It is open.
Got it. Swasti has done this.
We basically use a burner to burn some parts of our hair to different oil. Then this is called a applique,
Yeah, this is
and all these are scroll programs. That is a Shakespeare, this is Subair.
This one. Bhatnagar sir. Oh.
And those are all the past principles on the wall.
But this is a new kind of lamp. We are the corrections.
This is paper mache.
These are all cardboard things.
It gets off by itself. Yeah. So it gets off and then we color it in the design.
And this is flat.
We can do it as a
Yeah.
part of main articles are there.
And this is the entire squad portrait wall. All of these are yeah.
Wow.
Here are all of the.
Wow. Very nice. You look like an animal.
Yes.
Not cutting works. They're very.
All kinds of lamps. Huh?
This is also a digging power.
He will. Pass.
This is also a lamp, but this has the correction, so you can see.
Very beautiful. Very.
And this is like a kind of an ancient doorbell. We don't have a spring right now, so basically you pull it and then this. It's like a woodpecker. So you can like pull the string and it will keep pecking it like a doorbell.
And we also have
Nail art is there. And this is the actual counterpart.
Pyrography art.
I made this one. And we can also shade with the help of the burner. And it gets so hot that when you put it on wood or any other material, it burns automatically. And the burn wood color can be seen. And so this I've done with the help of the same him, but with different intensities so that this can make a difference.
Yes.
Here also and here also. To make the design more interesting.
So it is you need to take a chisel and a hammer and then you completely cast.
Yes. Can you do it?
Yeah, I did.
And this is again a lamp. And as I told you, we can use pyrography as a design. Yeah, we'll drill first this one. And then with the help of like the similar manner, the light will come out, so it will look.
This is like a tray for you to take your cup to your
उन्हीं को आप कैप्चर कर लो तो बहुत है.
They go around national parks also, I think.
Him to make a book, but he is not. He's taken so many good pictures.
And anytime I will see him like this, roaming around.
I have to complete, I have made it complete.
Flipbook.
Flipbook.
Yeah.
Make a coffee table book. That will be better.
Yes, ma'am.
A coffee table.
Yes, I've been encouraging him
Yeah.
to do that.
कैमोफ्लेज हो गई पता ही नहीं चला.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, can I?
It has ant inside it.
One of them.
Oh yeah.
Spotted up, spotted up.
You should encourage people taking portraits, candid portraits.
Yes, ma'am. By chance they come.
Are they?
Yeah.
उनकी क्या
This is from yes. Some days we are taking from yes.
I think one of the most academic schools.
We have a trophy that. Yes, ma'am. I am working.
कोई भी प्रोफेशन करोगे ये तो साथ के साथ
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा चलेगा
आपने
ही चलेगा।
बताइए वहाँ पे interesting.
Very nice. I love it.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, madam.
No, I'm very serious about it. उसको पेटेंट कर लो। ये कमर्शियली कितना यूज Pet feeder.
Yes, because the amount of treats given to the dog. This will help the dogs because if the dog sees many treats, it will want and will control the treats given in the time or how many treats given.
Very good. You have pets? You're a pet lover?
Yes.
You see this happening at your house?
Yes.
और अच्छा वाला और मॉडल बना है सबको मैं बोल रही हूँ पेटेंट कर
I will answer for that. When I shake it,
It continuously tells the size of the temperature and humidity. It's the only thing I don't know.
जी इसका नाम क्या है
Ma'am, it is controlled by for any levels. Ma'am, next is the gas leakage sensor. If the gas leaks, so it detects.
So this is at any gas leaking kind of sensor का वहाँ पे लगाएगा awesome very
Ma'am,
good
next is the gearbox.
okay
Ma'am, first is the second gear. Then next is the first gear, and then the
what is the use what is the use of this
Ma'am, it is to explain the gearbox that is in the car.
just to explain it
Ma'am, next is the smart helmet,
okay it beeps
the buzzer,
okay
and send the SMS to the hospital.
oh wonderful no I didn't understand आप क्या करेंगे
it's a we can control the boat.
बड़ी से बड़ी बोट की छोटा सा only this
The river and it tells us how polluted or clean it is.
oh
And the Mio motors help it move smoothly in the water, and this ultrasonic sensor helps it avoid obstacles in its way. Like, yes, so it detects the object and then it like avoids the obstacle.
and still will
Yes, it's
move around huh you see this
So, normal, I'm connecting it to the Wi-Fi, and you guys also get all of us.
ऊपर आ गए
Proper scoring system, like the game. I did it uploaded on the GitHub.
You can see that.
This is the further you have to take the bangle out of this rope without. Ma'am, and if you try to take it out like this, it will get stuck.
Very nice.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. This project is about Pythagoras theorem, in which which means in any right triangle, hypotenuse of this square. And basically, brown square equals to this square plus this.
Oh.
Yes. And these squares. Now, would you please try to put these squares into this box? मैम आपको so hence proved that S square equals to 3 square plus B square.
Good one.
Add, subtract, divide, multiply. मैम आसान है. Multiply Ma'am, this is a matchstick game. You have to only move one stick to balance this equation. Ma'am, -5 plus 6 divided.
Good morning, ma'am. This is a mathematical block in which different operators like under root, factorials, minus, plus, and ma'am, this is a use for understanding the identities. Okay, ma'am. So it's like the coefficients. A plus b whole coefficient is 1, 2, and 1 square 121, and then similarly we can add it. 1 plus 2 equals to 3.
square bowl. So here I have cut up the rectangle triangle into 4 parts. Now if I rearrange the square will appear. So basically how this works. Yes. So in the first hard bottom, but that was very less and practically easy. But when I realized it adds up to one small circle.
Whatever there, then if it comes in here, you blocks. As a celebration of the conference, we request you to taste hummus or with falafel, and so this is like a food from Dubai. From Dubai.
Each cupcake is decorated by a Discovery hero, the 12 Discovery heroes of RS, and you will learn more about perhaps as you
Hello.
Read 60 pages for 60 I know. I will write. 60 में मुझे क्या 60 को incorporate
Okay, go ahead. So we created a project on the online RS.
Activities like RS Zoom postcards, the show and tell session, and the subject lab which has recently been introduced in RS. These are the most popular RS activities which students will enjoy.
They make these.
Yes.
Heroes of Discovery. Each क्या है ये फिर मैं अभी हाँ बाकी एवरेज है ओके एंड आई एम अराउंड नहीं तो फिर मैं फोन करके दे सकती
Courageous, correct, inventive, idealist, and tenacious Tino are some heroes.
someone can I just move a little bit like or give me a written or what was it? No problem. Later on also is good. I would suddenly something is democracy is a functioning democracy is how countries rule, which is mainly ruled by the people for the people and by उसमें क्या है देखो एडवेंचर एडवांस डेमोक्रेसी में क्या करना है so as I have covered, the Ramshaw has 6 ideals and we achieve that ideals through democracy. Quiz.
Also like in our school there are projects. It represents democracy because we are allowed to, the students are allowed to vote for our people. That represents how democracy
happens in our school. What do you want? आप सब लोग और सब RS वाले लोग सब अब एक हाँ बेटा Panna, yes.
We have done Panna.
Why did we choose Panna?
Panna because it's the region right alongside the Tiger Reserve. Those are the tribal places that do not have a lot of especially.
I'm literally a faculty there. Ma'am, 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. अभी आई थी ना PSA में आई
हाँ मैम मैम एक्सक्यूज ओके मैम
Marimba rhythm start to play. Dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me. Play with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now.
Wanna talk to the highway, cool winds in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up to the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My hair green in this goopy hair. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices on the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. It's such a lovely place, such a lovely face. There's plenty of room at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your champagne on ice, and she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. As they gathered the chamber, they gathered for the feast, and they stab it with their steely knife, but they just can't kill the beast. To find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the night man, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm sitting here for a while.
Yeah, please take care of me. You were all amazing. Very nice. Hello. English.
department.
Welcome travelers to the whispers of emotions, a journey through the unseen map of the human face. It's drawn gently, powerfully through poetry. Each emotion is a whisper, each whisper a word waiting to be discovered. We step into the of innocence.
I will arise and go now and go to a mystery. A small cabin built there of clay and wattles me. 9 green rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live along the bee-loved lake.
And then nostalgia takes another shape, the shape of growth.
Was it the time I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They preached of love and told of love and talked of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day?
From the soft glow of the childhood, we step into a fiercer light, where fear whispers and courage chooses to roar. But the main question is, what are we truly afraid of? Marion Williamson would answer it for us.
Our greatest fears are not that we are inadequate. Our greatest fear is that we are powerful, beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that frightens us the most.
When we find our inner light, courage builds itself. Not loud, not boastful, but unbreakable.
Out of the dark that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul.
But through growing up, no journey is complete without a little chaos and a bit amusement. Ogden Nash will show us that how even the smallest things, such as visiting a dentist, can turn into an epic tragedy.
One thing I like less than anything is sitting on the dentist chair with my mouth wide open, because some tortures are physical and some are mental, but the one that is both is dental, as it is hard to be self-possessed with your jaw digging into your chest.
But laughter, like all things, settles. And when the echoes fade, another emotion often waits in the quiet. Anger. Not the loud kind, but the one that grows in silence. The one that William Blake talks about in A Poison Tree.
I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told him not. My wrath did grow. And I sunned it with smiles and lies. And I watered it down with my tears. Night and morning with my fears. And I sunned it with smiles and soft, deceitful vibes.
After the storm of anger, something quiet will always return. A reminder that the world is not only made of shadows. There is joy too. Gentle, reverent, and deeply felt. A moment when the heart pauses. Simply because something beautiful is to be honored. Today, let us see 2 such voices merge. 2 such poets who saw the world with quite wonder. Tagore and Emily Dickinson.
A butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough.
A light exists in spring, not present at the year, at any other period when March is casting down.
Faith is the bird that feels the light even when the dawn is still dark.
Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all.
Thank you.
Wow. And so, dear traveler, this is the journey. These are the whispers. Our poetry, our emotions, our inner landscape.
Really? Everything has been written by you guys? Yes. Wow. Very nice. Amazing. Very impressive. And very wonderfully presented.
Yeah. Vistas remain, but the remaining disappear. A page becomes a photo. Good morning. We all have experienced blackout in our daily life, haven't we? But have you all ever heard about blackout poems? During the COVID-19 pandemic, we all were sitting at home, bored, idle, doing nothing. Then came blackout poems. Blackout poems are the poems in which a major portion from an article, a poem, or the newspaper is taken out, and the major words are highlighted. Thank you.
मैम प्रणाम, नमस्कार, कैसे मैम?
और वो हमें बच्चों जैसे और प्रकृति के बिना कुछ और फिर पीछे से एक हाथ आता है जो हमारे खड़े वह पिता होते हैं या उदासी का माहौल छाया होता है या फिर किसी का तब हमारे आस पास होते हैं और जब हम घर में जाते हैं
मैम है तो ये संभव है।
फ्रंट में रहना।
अच्छा आइए सर।
जी जी।
हेलो कहाँ है? पेपराज़ी। She told me.
उसमें बैक साइड में काफ़ी सारे issues हैं। मैंने तो पूरी पढ़ी भी आपसे मैसेज किया था। और एक जो संयुक्त परिवार का है वो मुझे उतनी नहीं मिला। उसमें और आपने जो बीच में जो दी थी है उससे हम बहुत
भाई बहन का रिश्ता इतना खास होता है कि वो कितना भी सड़ ले लेकिन अंत में वो दोनों एक हर मोड़ पे माता पिता ही बच्चों को की सहायता करते हैं। जैसे
मैम थोड़े से मिस्टेक्स हैं, ठीक करवाइएगा। मैम जैसे मात्राओं में बिंदियाँ में सफल
हो जाए वो हमेशा उसको उतना ही प्यार करते हैं।
भाई बहन का रिश्ता बहुत ज़्यादा अनमोल होता है। ये एक ऐसा बंधन होता है जो कभी नहीं टूटता और भाई बहन एक दूसरे को सबसे ज़्यादा समझते हैं। एक जगह बताया गया कि जब एक नया सदस्य हमारे परिवार में आता है तो कैसे खुशियाँ मनाई जाती हैं और सब लोग कैसे खुश होते हैं, पाल पोस के बड़ा करते हैं और उन लोगों को कितना लाड़ देते हैं। माता और पिता दो ऐसे शब्द हैं जो आपको आपके उनकी गोद में पाल पोस के बड़ा करते हैं, आपको एक सफल जीवन प्रदान करते हैं। माँ हमारे जीवन की सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा होती है। बिना माँ के हमारा जीवन व्यर्थ होता है। माँ हमें जीने का आधार सिखाती है। माँ हमें अनुशासन सिखाती है और हमें सबसे ज़्यादा शक्ति देती है।
दश कूप समावापी दश वापी समूह दश हृदय समूह पुत्रो दश पुत्र समूह अर्थात 10 कुओं के बराबर एक भाव, 10 बावड़ियों के बराबर एक तालाब, 10 तालाबों के बराबर एक पुत्र और 10 पुत्रों के बराबर एक ईश्वर। इसी प्रकार यह गुरु पर आधारित श्लोक है। यह माँ का भी कालिदास का
Bonjour madame. Là on commence le français. Et donc on a présenté la gouvernement du Cameroun et aussi la France.
So there are 29 French-speaking countries other than France. In particular, we've talked about Cameroon. So this is the government of Cameroon, the national sport, which is football, and the national art. This mask represents the native tribal community from Cameroon.
Là, on a présenté des marques françaises qui sont populaires. and they will explain.
So France is famous for its luxury brands like Chanel. It was founded in the early 1900s by Gabriel Coco Chanel. Its iconic things are the 2.55 Chanel bag and the Chanel No. 5 perfume like this one. Its style is classic, elegant and timeless. Then we have Christian Dior. It was founded in 1946.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
so here we are serving like the price.
And we're making it, this is the French perfume. Oh.
Ma'am, I'm already
Here
very
we have
for the gâteau.
Okay.
This is called. Yeah. There are also some biscuits and tarts. They can speak about it.
Right.
This is custard cake, which is topped with the cherries. This is power chocolate, which is also
Cherry the burnt.
yeah. And this is power chocolate.
That's the beauty of the yeah. The burnt cherry.
Would you like to try some cake?
Now you can try a tart, chocolate tart.
Yeah, at least it's a small
That
tart.
is Ma'am, this is such a small treat.
Ma'am, do you want to try some custard?
ओ बाप रे लुई विटॉल को भी दिखाना पड़ेगा
And the German last.
We have some nutcrackers.
Okay. These are nut corners.
Nutcrackers, sorry.
We have some beer dip, which is also Papa Obatza.
What's up with this?
Wait 1 minute, just try a few things.
This seems to be very edible.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope you enjoy.
I will, definitely.
Ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Now we can go in.
नहीं sit here.
क्वेश्चन में आता हूँ बेटा
पोर्ट्रेट वाले लेकिन सो गुड थोड़ा दूर से देखते ना पास से
Excuse me, please cite it. Thank you.
हॉस्टेज है कि वो इनकी रीडिंग है आई डोंट नो रीडिंग है मैम ये सारे फाइन करना फाइन
Bags
भी गायब हो गए बैग्स ही नहीं मिल रहे हैं बोट पे
आ जाए
Yes, ma'am.
Side, please.
This is merging of
Wait.
अगर प्रॉपर्ली शेप देगी तो पीछे का सारा शेप उसको प्रॉपर्ली बॉडी का देना पड़ेगा।
Sorry, बेटा। वेट।
और ये एक शेप फ्लैप है, मतलब जैसे घर के अंदर लगा सकते हैं। कोई अगर बाहर होगा तो ये स्ट्रिंग को पीछे से बाहर रखेगा। अभी हमारे पास स्ट्रिंग नहीं है तो वो बार-बार एक शेप हाँ, और वो स्ट्रिंग लगा दिया तो अपने आप ऊपर गया। वो कॉर्नर पूरा
दोनों के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा दिखा आ जाती भी आ जाता अरे आ जाए यार विजिटर्स भी तो चाहिए रहते हैं यू आर आल्सो 8 तो समझ होता है यार हमको थोड़ा हमारे यूज करते हैं तो मैं तो छोड़ के चली गया बिकॉज़ बट आई थिंक करके आएगा इधर दिखी जा
वेट।
आजकल भी बनता है साइकिल
तो ये 500 मीटर हाइट है मैक्सिमम हाँ मतलब 100,000 जा सकता है लेकिन उसके लिए फिर लाइट और इसमें सारे वीडियो फोटो करने इससे ही होता है हाँ लाइक ये ऑन होता है ना, ये सेंसर्स जो से ऑन आते हैं, तो वो कहीं वो नहीं होता है। लाइक आप इधर देखो तो स्टेबल नहीं मिलेगी आपको।
हाँ, वो उसके ऊपर फीचर है ना।
हाँ,
रोड ने ये टेक्नोलॉजी की बनाई है।
कैसे पता चला मेरे को
ये अपने को
तभी आपको ऐसे यहीं का होगा ऐसे।
और डेफिनेटली दवाई बीच वाला देख 16 मिला, अपने को ये 16 मिला
Wait. Yeah. Lightly down. Nice.